So we are going to go ahead and crochet the eye of our Copepod. So you're going to grab your red or pink yarn. It is up to you. So we're going to start by forming a slip knot. So we do this by holding our fingers like this, wrapping the yarn around, forming an X, placing our thumb on the X, and flipping our fingers over. You're going to put your crochet hook underneath the first loop, grab the second loop with your hook, and then pull it through. And then you're going to tighten your working yarn and your tail. After chaining 4, you're going to form a loop. We do this by putting the hook into the first chain, and then we're going to pull our working yarn through both of these loops on your hook. Then you're going to do 4 increases. So to do an increase, you're going to put your hook into the stitch next to where your yarn is coming out, so about here. And then you're going to do a single crochet or 2 single crochets. So to do this, you're going to grab onto your yarn, move it through the first loop. You got 2 loops on your hook. You're going to pull it again, and then we're going to do another single crochet in that same hole. So that's going to be our increase. So we're going to do this about 3 more times. So for round 3 and our last round, we're going to do a round of single crochets around the ring. So this is a total of 8. To do a single crochet, you're going to stick your crochet needle underneath the stitch. The stitch consists of a bottom loop and a top loop that are next together like this. And make sure that you are not placing your crochet hook in the same stitch where your working yarn is coming out of. So we're going to do this a total of 8 times. So the last thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the working yarn, give it a little bit of a tail, and then we're going to tie our crochet project together like this. And then what we'll do is during the assembly, we're going to attach our crochet needle, and then we're going to sew his little eye onto his body. So this concludes our tutorial of the eye.